Shorter blade.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video today. In today's video, I'm out in the woods with JPF employee Tony, and we are out here cutting these downed locust trees in my neighbor's woods. As you can see, we got a good chunk off of that one right there, and it's already stacked into my truck back there. You know, we have to transfer it from the quad to that, but I was going to try a whole new video today, and I'm going to hook up this my tripod, my camera holder, and put it in there and give you a close-up view of me cutting that locust over there. So this is my saw cam, and hopefully it doesn't fall off there and get chopped up by the chain. So let's see how this goes. All right, the video didn't shut off. Let me double check my aim here.
Say, Tony, put on your veil so they don't see your face.
Yeah. All right. Oh, Tony's got his gnat hat on. A lot of bugs out here. He's not liking that too much, so make my way over here. See how this goes. Wish me luck. I don't know how that went. Looks like there was a lot of vibration and the camera was aiming down too far. So I'll just have to check it out and see how it works. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook. Thank you.